Hello guys, today we will discussing about what is the difference between the C and the C++. So we'll demonstrate this by giving an example of programming in C and C++ as well. For coding in C, I have to use this software that is CodeBlocks. I will open it up. And for programming in C++, I have to use this dev C++. So I will open the dev as well. Now what we'll do, we'll do some basic program in C, and after that we'll do the same program in C++ as well. So let's start by going into file, new, and an empty file. So I will start writing here uh, hash include stdio.h and hash include conio.h, uh, and the main function. I will save this program by Control S, and I will say give it a name, file name program in C. So inside my main function, what I will do is I will write int a comma b comma sum. I take three variables and I will sum the two variables into the third variable, that is sum. So I will write the printf statement here. Inside the double quotes I have to write uh, enter or first number, and I will save the first number. That is, I will scan this number into the variable location a. So I will write percentage d, that is the access specifier for the first variable, and I will save this number on the address of A. So I will write A. Now the same procedure for printf for the second variable. So I will write enter second number, and with a semicolon, that is statement terminator, and I will scan again on the second variable, that is m% of b. Now here the logic of sum will arise, that how the two numbers will sum up. So I will write the statement sum equals to a plus b with a semicolon. So this statement will sum the two numbers, and the result will be stored in the variable sum. And I want to print again the value of sum. So I will write the sentence that the sum of uh, percentage d and percentage d is percentage d. These three access specifiers will define that the first percentage d refers to a, the second percentage d refers to b, and the third access specifier will refer to sum. So I will end this statement, and at the last I'll use the get ch and the prep statements end. So I will save this program. I'll go to build, and I will click on the build. Now the program is compiling. So my program got zero errors and zero warning. That program is absolutely correct. I'll go to build again, and I'll click on the run. Now I have to give the first number. Let's say I give it a 4, and I have to give the second number. Let's say I give it 5. So it says the sum of 4 and 5 is 9. So this was the logic in C. Now I have to copy this whole code and uh, copy it by Control C. You can copy this program and go to dev C, and again go to file, new source file, and paste the whole code here. I have to make some changes here, that this header file does not exist in code in dev C, so I have to write iostream dot h, but just iostream. And uh, another line I have to add here is using namespace space s2d here. Now The printf statement does not work here, so I'll comment this line, and for that I have to reuse that cout statement, that uh, enter first number, double quotes close. And for scanf statement I have to again comment this line, and for scanf statement I have to write cn greater to greater than signs, and I want to scan it on variable a. Again I have to write cout, and I have to write enter second number, and I have to take input. I have to save the variable at variable b. Comment this line and comment this line. This line will be the same in C and C++, that sum the value of a and b and take the variable, take the output in the sum variable. Now I have to cout the value, the sum. Inside the double quote you have to write the sum of double quotes close, two less than signs a, again two less than signs in double quotes, and double quotes close b, again again two less than signs and inside the double quotes, and b is again bracket, again double quotes close, again two less than signs is sum, bracket close, semicolon close. So save this file as programming in C++. The lines which we commented, I have to delete these lines so that you couldn't get confused. Now go to execute, compile the program. Now it's compiling. My program is absolutely correct. Now go to compile and click on the run. So give it the first name number 8 and 12. So the sum of 8 and 12 is 20. The program is absolutely correct. So that's all about today's tutorial. Thank you for watching. Do not forget to comment, like and subscribe to our channel Nelson Darwin PogTech, and click on the bell icon so that you can get a notification whenever a new video is uploaded. Thank you.